YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. Yesterday it snowed. It's over 8 inches, so we've been scrambling like crazy. And in the meantime, as you guys have seen my truck, we had 26-inch wheels on it that are, I think the tires are 13.5 wide. Are not made for snow. So obviously, the wider the tire, the less traction you're gonna get because the tires float. That's why on big equipment that goes in sand, they have big wide tires, so they float. These are not good. So yesterday I called Judd over at Tire Pros. I'm like, dude, these things are terrible in the snow. So we had to buy rims and tires. He hooked us up. But in the meantime, right after I talked to him, I crashed into a curb. And so we're gonna check out what kind of damage is on these wheels. See why these don't work. See how big they are? So we've had a lot of stuff going on, and that is why we have not been uploading a ton. But we're kind of back. I say that a lot, that we're back, but we're like, but then we aren't really back because then we're like not really back. We do still have this big rig. You will notice one thing is missing. I have been involved with a brand called Built by Battle, which I still absolutely love and I will still be supporting, but I am no longer a part of the brand. Danny and I also owned our t-shirt company together. That business did not really go exactly how we had planned it to. One of the things that I am gonna be doing now is focusing more on YouTube and some of the things that I really actually enjoy doing, which is also podcasting. So my offices, I had just gone out to California. Welcome to Newport Beach or Laguna Beach or somewhere beach. It takes a lot to like completely blow my mind. Just sitting at an intersection and there was 2 Rolls Royces. One was a Dawn, one was a Wraith. And then next to me, a 458. Across from me was a 570. And then up comes a Bentley Continental Super Sport. It's like I'm driving a Honda Civic around here. One of the things I want to bring to this channel is some of the entrepreneur stuff. So one of the things I'm down here for, hanging out with my buddy 𝃏Tire. My relationship with him came from showing up, liking his stuff, sharing his stuff, messaging with him. Ran into him in Vegas 3 years ago. He's got a course, so if your friends sell courses, if there's something you want to learn, there's a lot of people you can learn from online. I bought his course, married game. And now here we are. I am I will be at his house for 2 days in Dana Point. Got an SLC super lightweight. That guy there, I don't know who he is. Refocused on really what I wanted to do, and one of the things was I wanted to redo my office space, turned it into a very creative area. We're gonna have a podcast studio in here, and then we're also going to be editing our videos in here. So here's what it looks like now. This place was completely full of crap like 4 days ago, and it was white and red and gray. It is now black, like the war zone. This is where we put everything down. Here's where we're at right now. This is all stuff we're gonna be selling. Who knows? Maybe even that. It's like a storage unit now. It's a complete mess. My life has been in shambles. But let's keep working on this. Let's go. Welcome back into the office. I am sure a lot of you guys came because you saw the title of the video. Let's sit down. A lot has changed in the last month. So as you guys know, if you followed any of my stuff for any amount of time, especially if you've been on Instagram, I own a t-shirt company, apparel brand, merch company called Boss Level Merch. Had it for about 2 years with a partner. It's located in Illinois. I'm in Wisconsin. We're 8 hours apart. Kind of had its challenges, and we did a podcast today kind of addressing it, me and my business partner. There's a lot that I'll be able to kind of teach people on this because I learned a lot, and it's a really, really, really tough business. Without proper systems, it's It's damn near impossible unless you want to run at a very, very small scale. So we did end up selling that business. I took a pretty good loss on it, but learned a lot. My biggest thing was keeping a relationship with Danny, who was my business partner, who we got into business because we were friends, which is also another thing. Do not just jump into business because it's your friend. At some point in your business relationship, you're going to feel like you're doing more work. Your business partner is going to feel like he's doing more work than you are. When I got out of that, it was a huge, huge relief, and I was gonna, now it frees up time for me to get back to YouTube, get back to doing content. I built out this office, as you guys saw in this video. Like, I have been putting so much into this because I'm so excited. And one of the things I'm gonna be doing is helping other people build businesses. I'm gonna be helping people with their marriages. I'm gonna be helping people be a father. I know a lot of people in my age, they're stuck in the rat race of their job. They fall short in being a husband and being a father. That's kind of where my focus is gonna be, and filming content. The Lambo has a whole bunch of parts sitting down here, and we'll be getting a bunch of stuff done to it. Right now, it's just sitting there. The one other thing I wanted to address was Built by Battle. So Built by Battle, you saw it in a bunch of videos. You probably saw it. If you're on Instagram, you saw me posting. I am no longer part of Built by Battle either. That was something that I could sell as a business. That was actually a business that I got into through Danny. It was Danny's business that he started. It was a brand, but it's way bigger than a brand. It was a way of life, and it was drawing a group of people together with kind of the same goals and the same mission. When the t-shirt company sold, it kind of, the reason I was involved was because we had both things. We're gonna have both things together. So I took a weekend, completely cleared my head of kind of everything that's been going on the last couple years, and came to the conclusion that that was not the thing that I was supposed to be involved with. I'm going to help Danny when I can. I'm going to jump on his podcast when I can. He's going to be taking it from there. He's going to crush it. It's going to do awesome. He's actually running the t-shirt shop still for the new owner that bought it. Everything worked out the way it was supposed to. And I believe that it would. The problem was it was starting to take a little while. That's where I've been. The last 2 years have been really, really tough, especially the last year. No promises. But I want to get back to weekly posting, and there is going to be a lot more like shorter version stuff, and it'll be a lot more of me talking. So if you have anything you'd like me to touch on, I will be taking some polls on Instagram at Lambo_dad with 2 Ds. If you do not follow that, please follow it. When I put questions up on things, talking points, I'm gonna put them on the whiteboard. I'm gonna sit down in here, boom, boom, and I am gonna go over and I'm gonna answer some of you guys' questions. With that, guys, I appreciate you sticking around to watch the rest of this. I know this part was super boring. It's where we've been, it's what we're doing. It's a little bit of a look in the future, look at the past, what happened. That's all I got. That is it. Peace.